welcome back to our channel. If you like our channel, remember support us, okay? Like, share, and subscribe, okay? Okay, we continue our journey for question number 1. Okay, for B parts, okay, it's completely different from the A part. You can forget about A parts, okay? Separate question. So we said that by rearranging the equation, so given this equation is correct, show that the result is like this, okay? So you know on the left hand side, F dash, okay? So we need to move all the F dash to one side. So, okay, keep this one and move this one to the left hand side. So we have a G F dash minus F dash G dash equals negative F G dash. Next step, okay, remember this implied symbol. Take out the F dash, so F dash G minus G dash equals F G dash, and then move it to the other side, then get rid of these negative sides, okay? So you have a negative here, remember. So you got F dash over F equals G dash over G dash minus G. In examination, remember, keep all the X bracket X, okay? I just lazy. Okay, next one. Okay, by integrating both sides of this one, show that this one. Okay, so okay, just integration, then integration. So on the left hand side is F dash F dx equals G dash minus G dx. Okay, what is the left hand side? Log. Can you see the log? Yeah, actually this is a log. It is log F equals this thing, okay, G dash over G dash minus G dx plus C. C is a constant, okay? And then move the exponential to the left hand side, so F equals e to the power C times e to the power integration G dash over G dash minus G dx. And then last step is important because exponential any number is positive. So we are sure that e to the power c is a positive constant as stated here. So copy it, clearly G dash over G dash minus G dx. Remember, write this thing in the exam, okay? Okay, I'm lazy. Sorry, okay. I'm sure you guys know how to do it, right? Because we are cool. Okay, see you for the next question. Bye.